Parents, it's holiday season, and I know we have been told time and again, even if we have not been told, we need to know that TV and screen is not a place for your child, because that will slow their development in almost all areas. I mean, a child who stays forever on screen will have slowed development in cognition, in social skills, in emotional regulation. And so I'm sure we are all asking, so where do I keep them? They are home for a whole 85 days. You know, some parents have already counted and they are talking about 85 days. I haven't counted yet. But here we are. We have a variety of materials and toys that could keep your child busy over this holiday, and not just occupy them, but occupy them meaningfully. You know, allowing them to develop their cognitive skills, allowing them to build resilience, to learn to take turns, to learn to critically think, and just to help them learn generally, and help you again bond with your child, because some of these toys will require your presence. We have this education board, a whole rich piece that helps your child learn number work, learn language. And above all, I know we want our walls at home kept clean, and you're thinking they're just home. They just came the other day and my walls are already getting dirty. I saw another parent saying that their thermos is already broken. So here you have, this is enough to occupy your child. They will do their calculation here. They have we have the numbers here. So if their children who have learned how to recognize numbers, so this is like 6 plus 7, they come here, they count this, they work with this, they count 6, then they count another 7, they put them together, they get the answer. Once they do, they can write it here instead of writing on that wall that you want to keep clean. They can write on the whiteboard, they can also write on the blackboard. So this toy is available. You could dial the number on your screen if you want to get this toy and many other toys that could help your child. Simple puzzles like this that help your child in developing their cognition, in strengthening their fine motor skills, learning to coordinate the eye and the hand. We have this and a variety of them. We have such kind of things that are good for family, for family games, family bonding. If you have bigger children, teenagers, and even you as a parent, we have blocks, we have the crossword puzzles, we have Scrabble, we have Monopoly. All these are available at very, very family friendly prices. Just dial the number on your screen and place your order. We have these spelling games. We have maybe your child is struggling with spelling, so this the picture will help them identify the word, and then using these letters they are going to put every letter in its place, spell out the word. So it's also like a spelling puzzle. And for parents with children with special needs, here we have this pegboard. As the children are pulling out and putting back, we are working on concentration. We are building the fine motor skills that this child will eventually use for writing. We have this, the Vecron. As they pull out, the muscles, the hand muscles are getting strengthened. All these toys are available at Precious Toys. Just dial the number on your screen and get an item that is suited for your child's need. You'll get free consultation. You'll be explained to what would work for your child depending on their developmental stage, and even depending on their developmental challenges, especially for children with neurodevelopmental challenges, children on the spectrum. We have toys that are suited particularly for them. If your child is struggling with concentration, with hyperactivity and attention, we have toys specifically for that. All we are saying is that at Precious Toys, we are helping your child. We are helping you bond with your child. Help your child to learn to communicate. Help your child learn to regulate their emotions. Help your child stay away from the screen or the entire day, even as they learn and get engaged meaningfully. So the number is there. Please do not hesitate. Place your order. These toys come with free advice, free demonstrations, and we keep upgrading them as your child grows. If they outgrow the simple puzzle, we move to the next puzzle, and so on. Thank you very much.